Well. Another package in the mail. And yeah, it's from Hikmicro again. So we'll rip into it, see what it is. I have an idea, but I'm not going to hedge my bets. I'm just going to rip it open and see what it is, but I hope it is what I think it is. Yeah. Now, the last unboxing that I did, I got in a wee bit of trouble because I left rubbish everywhere. Love me some bubble wrap. So I've decided I'm going to put all the rubbish in this bag. Just a chick shopping bag, one of those cool bag things. It's actually got a little plug. The brand's called Cool Bags. And I'm pretty sure they're about to release these new products. They're going to heat more like... Oh, there's some over here. Yeah, they're pretty alright, I guess. Oh yeah, little lunch bags as well. Cool colours. Might take that one to work, but yeah. There's this company called Cool Bags that's coming out, and they're about to launch this product. Like 15 litre old bags. Wee little zipper. I know. I'd probably take it shopping, to be fair. But yeah, I'll put all my rubbish in that. See how we get on with the missus. Anyways, put that there for now. Samurai. I'll get the knife out. Start filleting our cardboard box. This time without wrecking shit. Yeah. Do you want to see it first, or shall I see it first? Maybe you can see it first. I'll let you see whatever's in there first. I promise that I haven't seen it yet. I'm still not looking. Foam. It's a big box. I still can't see. Oh, foam. Oh, actually, I'm not supposed to make any mess. Right, I want to see. Oh, shit. It is what I think it is. The Condor Hicmicro Thermal monocular. Yes! Right. Oh, better pack the rubbish up first. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm sure the kids will play with that. In my cool bag by Cool Bags New Zealand. Knife. Anyway. Right. Let's open this up. It's so cool. Massive. Yeah, push it. Oh. Oops. It's actually got like a little magnet system. Flash shares. Oops. I broke this. Should be right. Fancy. Ooh, there's stuff in there. What is that? My sock system to put in. Charger. USB with a C port. Nice. Got plenty of those. Oh shit. Holy shit. Let me get that. Same as that night vision scope. The Alpex 4K light comes with that big fat battery. It comes with two of them. That's sick. It actually also goes, that battery fits my lead lens torch as well, which is perfect. and the Hikmicro charger, which is like a little strengthen your fingers little system. Charges really fast, like minutes. When I got it, it was minutes. One of those was charged in no time. Now I got two of them. Ton. Ooh, the CH25L by Hicmicro. It's got a laser rangefinder just down here. I believe it goes out to about 1,000 meters with the rangefinder, so I could possibly do away with my usual long range rangefinder for my long shots. Looks like you can charge it there on the side. It's got the on off button and the little doodaddy to, oh, how does that work? Oh, don't break it. Battery holder in there. Cool. Oh, it's got a little screw-in piece, so you got like a tripod or something, you can screw it in and sort of focus it. Saves having to balance in your hand so much. Anyways, just charge it up. No instructions with this sucker, because reading's for nerds. Maybe quite a bit jealous. Anyways, let's go try it out. I'll hook it up to the phone. We've already got the app installed. How hard could it be? No instructions. Must be that easy. Let's do it. So now that we've charged it up and not stolen it out of the Alpex 4K light, we can put it into this and turn it on. Open. Wiggle. What way does it go? Oh, it's got another picture in there. Looks like the old titty side down from the picture. Now we're in English mode. Holy heck, this is flash. Right. You probably don't believe me, but let's hook it up to the phone. Ooh, some zoomies. Zoom. Ooh, digital zoom. Wow. How far do we go? 10 times, 20 times digital zoom. Sick. Right, I'll hook it up to the phone. Sorry, this is way too exciting. And we'll get it sorted, eh? Now, as you can see, white hot. I'm white. Okay. And hot. Anyways, it is the entry level version. But look at the quality. Like, the quality for entry level is just ridiculous. I can't wait to get it out. So, thank you for watching the unboxing. We'll show you some shit at the end, and then the next video, hopefully we're out catching pigs and finding deer and just basically putting it through its paces. See you on the next one.